Now, high-end smart toilets can get ridiculous, 5,000 bucks or more, but HOROW went different direction. Is the same luxury, same features at a very affordable price, and you get the premium experience without the premium markup, and it's one of those home upgrades where actually feels worth it. And this thing genuinely changed the bathroom routine. It's not just go and leave anymore. It's like a mini reset zone. Hydrate, breathe, think, reset. Whatever your routine is, it just feels better. And trust me, you will catch yourself being there a lot longer than you used to.
Now, for the longest time, I thought that upgrading your toilet was just an extra purchase or a way to show off, but now that I got one, I am judging very hard all of my friends, restaurants, hotels, everywhere I go. I am judging the bathroom. It feels like everybody got a bathroom that kind of gives you that gas station vibes.
Now, there is one downside that I mentioned earlier. The only catch is that you can't really go back, because using a normal toilet after just feels like trading your brand new iPhone for a flip phone. And it's a full-on prehistoric downgrade, and you get spoiled pretty fast. And if you want a smart toilet that actually delivers the luxury without the crazy price tag, I think the HOROW Smart Toilet, it's definitely worth the hype.
So don't just upgrade your bathroom, upgrade your life, and don't let your friends try it, because if they do, they will never leave.